Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Pulse Elite headset to PlayStation Portal. If you want to connect, then you will need to follow some steps. When you first use the Pulse Elite wireless headset with your PS Portal, you need to pair them. Make sure you have completed initial setup for your PS Portal before pairing. First, turn on your PS Portal. Press and hold the PlayStation link button on your headset and release it when the status indicator on your headset quickly blinks blue, approximately 8 seconds. Your headset is in pairing mode when the indicator quickly blinks blue. Then press the PS Link button on your PS Portal. When paired and connecting, the indicator on your headset turns solid blue and your PS Portal show a connected state. After pairing to your PS Portal, your headset also searches for any paired Bluetooth devices that are ready to connect. The indicator on the headset slowly blinks from the light to dark for a few seconds while searching. You can connect your mobile device to your headset at this time to listen to audio from both devices simultaneously. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.